In this video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money from Chime. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to properly do this process, I recommend you go to the Chime website at www.chime.com by using your web browser either on your computer or your phone. Regardless of which platform you pick, the process is exactly the same. When you arrive at the website, as you can see, you have to find this article, What is a Cash Advance? Simply look for What is a Cash Advance on Google and click on the link from Chime. When you select this article from Chime, you will be able to scroll down and enter your email over here in this box in order to get a cash advance. When you are properly signed in and logged into your account, you will be able to read this article and understand how to get a loan using this method. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from Chime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.